Hello everyone, I am Vidhi and I warmly welcome you all to the third episode of TDSM Project Discussions. TDSM stands for Technology, Development, Software and more, where we discuss the best projects registered under Diversion 2K 2022. And for today's stream, we have the project lead and two core contributors of the project Chooselyf. So, hello to three of you. Now, I would request you to briefly introduce yourselves to the audience.
Hello everyone, I am Sainik Khaddar and I am currently studying electrical engineering in Jadavpur University and I am the lead of this project. And here are two of my contributors who have immensely contributed for the benefit of this project.
Thank
Saptarshi, can you
you.
introduce yourself a bit?
Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Roy and we are from the same college basically, same branch, same college, same section. And I have contributed in the ML part of the project.
And I am Saptosipani, and I am also from the same college and same branch, and I have contributed in the machine learning part and also in the website part.
Thank you so much for the introduction. Now we move on to the questionnaire part. So it would be great if you could provide to the audience a non-technical description of what your project is all about.
So basically we have built a healthcare web application, and in this web application we have implemented many things. Some of them are we have implemented all those day-to-day sufferings of the pupil. I mean day-to-day symptoms, which pupil can use them to get to know whether which disease they are suffering from, and they can do it by staying in their home only. Also, if they need blood, I mean they can check blood availability through a web app also. Also, if they want to know whether they are suffering from any sort of kidney disease or heart disease or any sort of malarias or not, they can use our machine learning model which we have implemented in this web app to get to know all about this. Lastly, we have also built a chatbot which will help them to get answers to all those medical requirements. I mean some medical queries. And lastly, we have also built a doctor appointment portion which will help them to connect with required doctors. Say a person is suffering from heart disease, he will be able to connect with all those heart specialists, and in this way, we have built an integrated web app to cater to the patient needs.
That's nice. So the second question, is there any story behind choosing this as your project topic or why did you choose this project idea?
Yeah, we have an interesting story behind choosing this project. Actually, during the first sem, when I visited my village area, I found that there were no such clinics where people could go and check whether they are suffering from any disease or not. I mean, for day-to-day checkup, we can't go to any clinic for this checkup, right? So, an idea came to my mind that if I build an integrated web app, which will help the patients to get to know about any sort of disease that they are suffering from, say from day-to-day symptoms, say cough, say smell, or say any sort of diseases, then it will be very extremely helpful for them. Also, in an integrated web app, the patients will not have to go to any clinic to get to know all about this. And if they want to check about blood availability or doctor appointment, they can do it by sitting in their home only. All is available to them by using our app only, and everything is available to their fingertips, right? So I think this is quite an innovative solution for everyone.
Sure, sure. Now, for the technical audience that we have here, provide us a technical overview of your project and what are the tech stacks that you have used.
So for the day-to-day symptoms, we have used machine learning model, which will briefly be explained by Ayush. And the chatbot part we have done using Node.js and Socket.io. For those blood availability part, we have done it using PHP and MySQL. And for PHP, it occurs like this: say a blood donor, he wants to donate his blood, then he can register in this portal by using his name and blood group. And if any user wants to search for blood, then he will log in into a portal and search whether a particular blood group he needs is available or not, and can connect with those blood donor directly via our website. And lastly, for those doctor appointment part, we have used an API for doctor's name, which if we make a call, then the required doctor's name will be displayed, and we have classified this using different categories of doctor, say orthopedics, say heart specialist, etc. And the heart and kidney disease we have done it using machine learning model, which I will request Ayush to give a brief description about.
Yeah, the heart and the kidney model is deployed using Streamlit, and it is the heart kidney model is I think it's made using SVM, and the heart model using RF random forest. And another part that Sonic missed was that exercise model that we implemented, right? It's also done using Streamlit, and basically it will calculate the calories that you burn while doing certain exercises. Certain exercises we implemented, and many could be done, but due to time constraint, so we could not do it. And that's it. The exercise model was done using media pipe, the pose detection, hand detection, and the chatbot that Sonic said earlier. That's
Okay, now the topics that you have mentioned, like PHP, SQL, and all this stuff. So, did you learn these on your own, or was it a part of your college curriculum, or how did you learn it?
So since we are studying electrical engineering, so we can't expect that those topics will be taught in our college. So we actually invested our time in learning all this. We actually managed the subject electrical as well as all this technical stuff, so that we can build a good project and add it to our CV.
That's really great. Like the time management is very important. So, what are the contributions to your project? Like the specific contributions?
uh, when I had registered as a team lead, then all my other teammates have registered as a contributor, and Ayush has contributed to the machine learning part, and Saptoshi has contributed to the deep learning and chatbot part. I myself have built the doctor appointment. I, Actually, I'm trying to build a doctor appointment and have done the UI part. And the remaining members have contributed by building this presentation, giving us innovative ideas, fixing various bugs that were in the project, and giving various sorts of advices without which our project would not have been successful. That is currently now.
That's nice. And any important feature that is yet to be added to your project?
Yeah, there is one important feature which we want to add to our project is that connecting to hospitals to get knowledge about this ambulance part. Say any patient is, say condition of any patient is very critical, then he needs to call an ambulance, right? For that particular thing, we want to implement a way so that we can connect with each and every hospitals, so that wherever there will be vacancy, then we will call that hospital and ambulance will come to the patient's home. And also the doctor appointment, but there are very bugs. There are some bugs for which it's not functioning properly. So we have a motive to improve these two parts, I mean the doctor appointment and those ambulance connection part.
Okay. So, in this online mode where we could not have any offline meeting, what is the biggest problem you're facing right now in your project and how are you tackling it?
The biggest problem that we are facing is the time management, because currently our exams are going on in college, and just now we heard that there is only 1 week left, and still there are loads of work to be done. So that's the main problem we are facing, because we can't sit together and work. Because if we sit together and work in a room, then the work can be easily divided, and if we assign any work to anyone, he will he will be able to complete it within an hour or two. But in this online mode, if I assign any work to any person, suppose he forgets, suppose he goes to anywhere and then he forgets about the work, then that work becomes pending. And also, I told that the currently the city exams are going on. So this is the problems that we are facing currently while implementing this project.
That's very true. Now, related to your answer here, we have another question. How are you managing your college work with all these extracurricular project works?
See, we have made a particular schedule that on the weekdays we will be focusing on our college. I mean, on our college exams, on our college notes, and we will attend the classes. On the weekends, we have completely devoted the time for this project, so that the various ways that we can implement the various new things that we need to learn to implement it, all gmeets and all etc., all everything related to the project, we have reserved it for Saturday and Sunday. And by this way we have been working for a month, and this is the way we are implementing the project.
That's nice. We should be learning a lot from you. So, moving on to
Thank
the
you,
next
thank you, thank you.
question. What is the best compliment that you have received by your junior or your colleague while working for this project?
The best compliment that we have received from
that's
the
none.
junior is that, huh?
We have
So,
received no compliments here.
yeah, one compliment we have received because the junior has registered on this project. He says that the project is quite innovative and he wants to contribute in this project. I mean, sorry, not he, she wants to learn by contributing in this project.
That's nice. But like there cannot be a possibility that you didn't get any compliment. Like working on a project together itself is a great compliment. Handling stuff together, making team work together, that's a
Actually,
compliment
we
in
have
it.
received compliment from our college students only. I mean, from our classmates only, from our seniors only. But till now, junior compliments we have received just only one who has registered as a contributor for that project.
That's nice. So, all in all, how has your experience been working with your fellow contributors, juniors, seniors, and in Diversion 2K 2022?
Overall, the experience is quite good because whoever I mean whom we are assigning any work, he or she is showing the initiative to complete it within the required time. It might happen that he does not know anything, so he might fail, but he is giving the effort to do it, and that's the thing that we liked about this project. We also got to know many people while working in this project. We also got to know people from various tracks so that our projects can improve. Overall, this has been a very beautiful experience, and we are looking forward to more such competitions from your college.
Thank you so much. This was a very great answer. I would like to thank you for joining us in this short but informative session.
Thank you, Vinny. Thank you. It was nice interacting with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.